guys, today's video is going to be my July 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. I swear I'm wearing a shirt. It looks like I'm not, but I am. I have no makeup on right now. I just have lashes and my brows done a little bit. We're actually going, well, and I put some lip stuff on too. We're actually going to the lake, but I wanted to make this video. So here we are. I've been missing on this channel because life's just been crazy. I've been focusing most of my time on my Poshmark account. If you guys aren't familiar with Poshmark, I'll link it down below, but basically I have become a reseller and it's amazing. I friggin' love it so much. I am gonna make a video telling you guys a little bit more about Poshmark. June was actually my best month so far, and I'm gonna make a video telling you guys how much money I made in June because it was crazy. But now let's just talk about Boxycharm. So this month's theme is Au Naturel. All right, first thing in the box is from Luxie. This is the Gia. Unleash. Here we go, stumbling over words. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet. My husband's texting me. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Okay, what are these? Brushes. Okay, so this is 3 brushes. This is a large eye blending brush, precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. This retails for $30. So already you've paid for the price of your box. You guys don't know, Boxycharm is $21 a month. It is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ooh, I like these. These are made of like, I don't know, they're like wooden. Don't mind my gross nails. Those are the 3 brushes. Can always use some more brushes. Ooh, camera. We just got back from Pennsylvania. We went on a little family vacation to Hershey Park. If you guys want to see some clips from that vacay, I will link my vlog channel down below. I only vlogged a little bit and I really didn't take many pictures just because I was just like trying to live in the moment. And it's really hard to vlog when you've got 4 kids. But we had a great time. My kids were absolute angels. Like our 8-hour, well, actually we ended up being in the car for like 10 hours. They were amazing. They did such a great job. My hair is really bugging me. I'm actually getting it done hopefully soon. Ooh, I actually got a call after this video. I want to go blonder, I think. I want to keep like my dark roots and go blonde. I want to have like my hair that I had for my wedding. I'll insert a picture if I remember. Anyway, Boxycharm. So a little coupon card thing here for $10 off at the Ulta Skin Bar. Okay, all right, Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This retails for $35. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. I have heard of Elemis before, and I believe I've gotten products from them. Focus. The box is right there. We gotta move. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I believe I've gotten products from them before, but you know, I don't know. I love masks, so I will try that. Next, we have a, is this a lip liner? This is from Appeal Gel Liner in Desert Taupe. Yes, I think this is a lip liner. Oh, it's a lip liner or an eyeliner. Retails for $21. I've never heard of Appeal before. I have a huge problem paying $21 for a lip liner, eyeliner. I don't wear a lip liner, but for like an eyeliner, $21, like, yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of good drugstore eyeliners. Not gonna open this because I'm probably gonna give it away. So we have something from Alamar Cosmetics. It is a lip gloss. The Mother of Pearl gloss in the color Serenita. Really pretty packaging. It's got sparkles on it. Let's see what this looks like. Pretty. Ooh. Let's put some on. Oh, okay. I need a little bit more. Oh. Ooh, this goes really good with this color. What was that face I just made? And the last thing in the box is a palette from Butter London. Oh, this is pretty packaging. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Retails for $32. Really pretty packaging. Ooh, yes, and colors that I will use. Can you see? Okay, so my thoughts on this box, you know, this is a good box. I will definitely use this eyeshadow palette. You know, the brushes I'll use eventually. I do like this lip color. I will try out the mask. The lip liner slash eyeliner is really the only thing that I'm gonna give away because I don't use lip liner, and I really wouldn't use like a brownie eyeliner. So that is everything that is in my Boxycharm for the month of July. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.